Hello everyone, my name is Ayush and I'm going to test phptravels.net website. In this, I have tested the login functionality and the block functionality, these buttons, one of the block button, and for that I have created, for login, I have created already an account on this website with a dummy email. So I will check with that, and this is the login page. Here I will test by entering the username and password using Selenium script. So for script, I've used Python. Python provides a module called Selenium, which I imported. From that, there is a web drivers and all others like common functions, keys, action chains by which we'll use, and time to wait while executing the script. So there are two functions, login to PHP travels one and test block button. So this is our driver code. Firstly, we have to initialize an instance of Chrome browser, and then we will test it in a try block. So these are all the tests with usernames, four username and passwords combinations, and one test block button test case. So, and lastly, we need to quit the browser driver, that is the instance. So first we will go to this website. We are seeing about login to PHP Travels, login test. So driver is passed, username is passed, password is passed, and test case number. Then we need to wait while the website is getting loaded. Then we'll first find this. Let's go to use homepage, and on this there is a drop down, this one, and from this we need login button to be clicked. So for our first action will be to find that element uh, where account was written. So we have found this using XPath. Then click that element. Then using action chains provides us the keys to be passed like arrow down and enter. So from this arrow down and enter. So the arrow down key basically. So this will perform the action. Then from this selected login option from the drop down. So this is the just check that login option is selected. Then login page is opened. So this sleep time again to this check time to load. So there is a sleep time. And from this take a username, password. So these are the fields: username field, password field. By got by using the by.name functionality. Then we have sent our username which was passed in the function up here. We have sent those keys to, to username and password to these fields and then clicked on the login button. The XPath of that login button is mentioned. So again after that, so let's with the credentials I have just to log in. So after login, if welcome back is mentioned or element like here welcome back is mentioned, so I have got this element, I have inspected this element and get this in login successful element, and if the text inside this is welcome back, then our login is successful. So login is successful for the username, and then for logout again you have to click on drop down and go to logout. So like this, click on drop down button, then click on logout button. So logout successful and test case is passed. Else if the username was not matched and welcome page is not open, like this page is not open, then the test case got failed. And else if any other exception has occurred while executing the script, then it will also be covered in the try except block. Then the second case was testing the block button. So On the first page, we'll traverse to the first page, like homepage of phptravels.net. Then uh, inspecting this blog button and clicking on it. And after clicking, this will get open. And the S2 element will find this PHP travels. This is the S2 element, PHP travels. And from this, if PHP travels is present, means that the text is matching our element text, then the block page is open. Else the block page is not open or and the test case is failed. And any other exception is also a test case failed. So all all are called over here in a main function. So let's like execute our script. So we'll just open terminal and Python web testing dot py. So this will open an instance of Chrome browser and it will navigate as we have written in the script. First it will go to phptravels.net, then it will click on blog button. The blog is open and we can see as I have uh, used print statement. So over here it in the terminal it will show me whether the test case is passed or not. So here it is taking time. Okay. So our first test case is passed. Block page was opened. On the second case was clicking on account, then login, then entering the details. In the second test case, it was correct details, so the test case 2 is also passed. Now third time again we are going to account, then login, gain some details. These were incorrect details, so there is a message invalid login. So test case 3 got failed. Again going to test case 4. This is again a wrong one. Just to log in, it is also failed. The last one, in this case, the password is nothing is there in password. So with empty password, I've tried, but this is also failed. So 5 test cases we did, and 2 of them passed as expected, and 3 of them failed. So thank you.